This video is a guide to help install the Wood-and-Metal Flat Slat Gate. Make sure you read the complete instruction manual, which includes important warnings and other information to make sure the product is assembled correctly. Here are all of the parts and tools you'll need to assemble and install the Wood-and-Metal Flat Slat Gate. Measure the opening where the gate is going to be placed to determine if any extension pieces are required. Begin assembly by sliding the L frame into the base frame of the gate and securing it with a screw. Assemble an extension piece by placing one top cap and one bottom cap in either end of the extension. Before attaching the extension to the gate, remove the extension caps from the latch arm, both top and bottom. Slide the extension into the latch arm. Then place the extension caps in the top and bottom of the gate. Take 4 bumpers and place them in the 4 corners of the gate. Fit the gate loosely into the opening. Next, we'll install the wall cups. Place 1 wall cup on each bumper. Use a pencil to mark around all 4 wall cups. Use the included adhesives to adhere each wall cup to the marked spots on the wall. Position the gate into the wall cups, then tighten the bumpers until the gate is firmly in place. Make sure that the SecureTech indicator on the latch is green. Green means that the gate is securely locked. Make sure the swing stops are lifted up and open the gate. Now your child can explore more freely while you enjoy some peace of mind.